Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we are using the color of blue. Kids, now we're mixing and using the color of blue. First we draw the alphabet of A for apple, A for ant. And the next one is B. Subscribe to our channel. Now we draw the alphabet of B. And the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Kids, we again using the color of blue. Now we draw the alphabet of D. And the next one is E. And the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, today we're using watercolors. F for fish, F for fan. And the next one is G. G for gorilla. Subscribe to our channel. We again using blue color. H for hand. And now we draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. The next one is J. J for jackfruit. Now we coloring the alphabet of K. K for kite. And the next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. The next one is M. M for moon. M for mangoes. N for nose, N for nest. Now we draw and coloring the alphabet of N. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is O. O for orange, O for octopus. Now we're using the color of blue. And draw the alphabet of O. The next one is P. P for penguin, P for parrot. The next one is Q. Q for queen, Q for. Now we draw Q. And the next one is R. R for rice. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is S. S for snake. S for sun. T for teacher. T for tiger. And the next one is U. U for umbrella. And the next one is V. V for van, V for vanilla. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is W. And the next one is X. X for Xmas tree. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Today we're using blue color. X for Xmas tree. Y for yolk. And Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.